Scary.
Alright. Okay.
Sound of the sub.
It's 1:15 in the morning, and we are going to try the hottest noodles in the world, so they say. It's been a viral thing on the internet. You can't do that, we've got to start again.
Yeah, we're purple in it.
When I count you in, can you slide that into when I say, right guys.
Just be casual.
It's just,
hey guys,
yeah, that has
it's
to be
Jockey
scripted.
Freddy here.
Alright, let's just cut to the chase. It's 1:15 in the morning, and myself and my brother Freddie, we've decided to take on the hottest noodle challenge. And the noodles that we are going to be trying today is Samyang noodles. Now, for those who don't know what they are, to be honest, we don't know either, but it's gone around on the internet. You can probably find out a few videos on YouTube. It's the hottest packet noodles that you can buy. I think, what was the Scoville units on them?
Anywhere from 8 to 10,000.
8 to 10,000. Now, we're not connoisseurs on heat, but we thought we'd give this a try, and let's hope and pray this works out well. What's your thoughts, Fred?
Get on with it.
Wow, and also to up the ante, we're going to use 2 of the heat sachets.
Wow.
Yeah, well, so yeah, in total it's going to be 4 heat sachets into the noodles, so it's not just the one that you get in the packet. We're going to double it, and then yeah, this could be the last time you see us, so best of luck.
I never agreed to this.
Let's get cooking. First thing is we need to have the checklist. So we go over here, 2 bowls, because each of us are going to be eating them.
Top quality ceramics. Straight from Tesco's.
Straight from Tesco's finest. And we're going to add the chopsticks.
For that extra authenticism.
Boil kettle. In the meantime, following me around, all the haters that doubted me and thought I couldn't cook, watch this. Open noodles. Now, where do you open noodles? I do it over the saucepan just in case there's explosion. Oh, these are quite big. Okay, that's the first sight of the noodles. What's in the contents? We have, I think this is kind of like seasoning. You have like some, there might be chili flakes actually, I can't read what they are, but this is the bad boy. I'm not even sure if this is the right way up. Yeah, it must be the flame icons that way.
Some effects. Bop, 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 bop.
A little bit of seasoning, because I'm not an animal.
Sesame and some kind of flake.
Okay, now this is the moment, right? I don't even know what this is going to look like. I don't know if we want to smell this first. Should we do a smell test? Actually smells really nice. Okay, this could be a good video because I was worried that it was just going to be like, blow my nose off. Just, oh my god.
What did I tell you guys?
Fuck, no, seriously, what? That's just pure, very dark. I've seen videos of Man vs Food, and whenever you see chili sauce of that colour,
this looks
you
like
know.
death.
Oh my god, and we're doing 4.
Maybe we'll go for 2.
No, we've got to go 4.
Oh, look at this.
And we're splitting this for each bowl, so. Oh my god.
So,
Let me turn this down.
so, if you ever wanted to know what hell looks like, that's what it looks like.
Oh, fucking hell. This is like a pool of death.
It smells nice though, that's what's weird about it.
Yeah, hopefully. I can't even read the ingredients of this. Right, okay. So now we're just pouring all this in, and we're going to see what the colour of these noodles look like once we mix it in with the chili sauce. Okay. Right guys, we were going to leave you guys alone because we were just going to cook the rest of this, but I just wanted to show this kind of process here. Fred, stop stirring for 1 second. Okay, this does look like Mordor. It's like a volcanic eruption right now. It doesn't look friendly. This is the Samyang hot, fiery ramen noodle challenge. Oh. Samyang noodle. Oh god, okay. Wow. Look at the juices.
Looks scary.
Okay, let's leave some for...
When's your Domio day?
One eternity later.
What I'll do is I'll move it here. Oh, here we go. Techniques, guys. Techniques. Oh my god. What's worse, having the bottom part of half of the noodles or the top half?
Bottom.
Oh
Agreed.
my god, look how I've done this. Oh, but look, I'm distributing the sauce though. Everyone's getting a fair share. I don't even know how. Look what I've done.
You've created a link.
Oh my god.
I'm Bagsy right bowl.
This is the bridge. But this is what we call the noodle bridge. Check that out. That's a masterpiece. Instagram that, guys.
Noodle bridge. Hashtag noodle bridge.
Hashtag noodle bridge. In case you want to know how to make that, just at me. Oh, how do I break that? Okay.
Gets posted.
This is fate. Who does it belong to?
No one.
Just because I'm gonna get the most sauce one.
That's like a rope between two.
Here we go. This is it. We're gonna mix this up. I've got the soupier version.
But I've got more noodles.
He's got more noodles, so let's find out what is the...
It's so thick.
Okay, are we ready, guys? Right, ready? Last words? Famous last words for the camera?
God help my family.
Challenge is going to be eating with chopsticks, man.
I'm waiting for you. Today.
So far, okay? Ooh.
Alright. Okay. It's hurting my lips more than anything.
Yeah, I think the first initial, but I'm waiting for it to progress. Right now, like for me, it's a familiar heat, but the noodles are really nice. So,
Oh.
it's quite a dry heat. But yeah,
there's
refrain
no, like-
from any contact on your face.
I take my glasses off just so I can.
God, I'm crap at this. How's it for you?
It's like it's not as hot as the chili, but it's like hitting the back of my throat really badly. It's burning my lips. My tongue's fine, but the struggle.
Debating whether we need the milk.
12 seconds later.
I think the tactic is eating it quick.
I can't, it's hot.
Do you think I was actually going to add chili sauce onto this thinking we need more?
Probably.
Might.
It's because this is so hot.
Eyes are starting to water now. Lips are starting to burn. But this does progress. Not as bad as I thought though. I was really expecting some casualties. I think they is a lucky escape.
I can't eat it because it's hot.
What, as in the temperature or the heat?
The temperature.
What, lukewarm?
Kiwi. Oh, the struggle is actually the chopstick. I can't, man.
It's alright, if you feel it's done, drink the milk and that's your...
I can't.
That's your white flag. The white milk. Okay, let me tell you the bit I'm scared about. It wasn't the noodles, but it is this sauce. Now, hold on, I'm actually going to use the cam here to show. So, this bit here is what's left of my bowl, but I know all the fire is in this bowl. So for me, so the hiccups started now, but like the challenge is like probably gonna begin.
Oh, my lips.
So let's go do this bit. Also guys, when you have this kind of heat, I'd say concentrate on how you're like chewing and swallowing. If you breathe any of this in or went down the wrong hole, that's like a finisher right there. Really like concentrate.
It's because all my noodles, I like soaked all of that in. And I went for it and that was a bad idea. Never in a million years. I haven't got the same heat resistance as him, man. I can't touch my eyes.
So at this point, Freddie, really describe, I know it's hard to talk right now, but entertainment value still, what is going through your stomach, your mouth?
Like, I could barely eat any of that. It was so intense. 'Cause
I can tell, like, your face looks quite numb. I remember seeing this on Man vs. Food as well. Hold on, you look like you've been possessed.
can I go in the kitchen?
Yeah, go in the kitchen. We will still film this.
Leave me alone.
I'm just waiting for you to do that. Now, guys, I wouldn't recommend drinking water because it just spreads it, as most of you probably know.
Just drink bread.
Drink bread, yeah?
No. I need bread.
Yeah, I think this is going to help. I want to see if this actually solves it immediately.
My eyes are fine, but it's not. You can see me.
Yeah.
My nose is running. My lips are on fire. I've gone cross-eyed.
Yeah, let's see that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Fred.
There's a nice bread as well.
Right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. Our mouths are both on fire. I would definitely think to try something hotter. Maybe it's not a noodle, maybe it's a sauce, but we'll have a look around. Any suggestions, please let us know. If you liked what you saw, what's the saying? Put a thumbs up, or is it a thumbs up, subscribe.
Give a like, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the next video.
I've been Josh.
This has been Freddie.
And this has been the Hottest Noodle Challenge, episode 1.
Thanks.